Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd freestyle and just do something completely out the box. Now I'm gonna go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills pot and I'm literally gonna just follow the shape of my brows. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my NC42 concealer from MAC and I'm going to be using my 207 brush from Real Techniques, and I'm just gonna go around my brows and just neaten them up. And if you want to be precise with your brows, then this brush is definitely the one for this. Can you see that? It's just snatching up that brow. Okay, so brows are on fleek, and I'm gonna just do something real cute but simple today. I'm going to go to my PLouise base and I'm gonna prime my eyelids. So we're gonna start off this eye look with my sleek liner in Midnight, and I'm just gonna start off at the corner of my eyes and I'm gonna create like a wing. I'm gonna get my brush and I'm just gonna start blending that over like that. Just going in the crease. I'm gonna go into the Revolution blush palette. It's a really nice brown in there that I like. I'm gonna actually use that as my kind of transition color between this color that I have on and the other color that I'm going to use. So I'm just gonna go into that brown. And I know it looks like a hot mess and crazy right now, but it will all come together, okay? I always tell you guys to trust me. Trust me, it will all come together. I don't know if I showed you guys this in my last video, but I've been using this little pan to do all my foundation, all my concealers, all that good stuff, because I just used to always do it at the back of my hand and then I would just always end up in makeup at the back of my hand. Even when I'm getting ready to go out, I've put on my clothes and then I realize I've got makeup in the back of my hand when I'm out in the cab. So I'm loving this little purchase that I bought and it is doing the job, and I will recommend it. If you guys are like me and you were always putting your makeup on the back of your hand, get one of these. I'm just gonna go in and cut my crease. Crease is cut, and I think I'm gonna go into Zuba. I'm feeling Zuba from this is from the Magic by Juvia's Place palette. Just putting a little powder on this primer, on this cut crease before I add the color that I want. So I'm using this pink shade, it's called Zuba. So I'm just gonna go back in with the brush that I used to blend out that black at first. So I'm gonna go in with my liquid liner. This liquid liner is from NYX.
It's really light, it's too dim.
I'm used to looking at it. I don't feel like it's that bright. I have now to refine. Being mad facial expressions and stuff like that.
I just went back into the Juvia's Place palette and I went into Boronu. A new favourite colour from the palette. It's so nice. So I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Academy Primer Oil. So I'm just gonna rub that in. And I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my illuminator. Gonna go in my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Tawny. And I'm gonna go in with my NYX Contour in Cocoa. I've applied all of it, so now I'm gonna start blending it all out, and I'm gonna start off with the concealer, and I'm just gonna pat that in. Then I'm gonna blend out my con. I'm gonna get my HD concealer in Beige. And I'm gonna go into my Hoola bronzer and I'm going to bronze up this face. Gonna get my MAC blusher Pincho Peach. Just a nice pink blush, and I'm just gonna pop that on my cheek. I'm gonna go in with my black liner, my gel black liner from Sleek, and I'm putting it on a lash line, but not in my waterline. It's kind of like underneath, and then I'm gonna just smudge it out. I'm gonna go to Kogi. Kogi is the color I used right at the outer corner of my eye, and I'm gonna incorporate it into the bottom bit of my eye. I think I'm gonna put it in the same kind of area where it is at the top as well. this color from my blush palette, and it's a really nice white, silvery, shimmery color, and I think it goes really nice with this look. So I'm gonna add that in. There's an array of colors going on, metallics, glitters. But yeah, I am actually really loving this look. This look was done mainly using the Magic by Juvia's palette. So I used about 2 shades from that palette, and I also used a blush palette. I told you guys, I love using highlight palettes and blush palettes as eyeshadows because they work really well. If you want to see how this look was done, then carry on watching, dolls. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And do not forget to comment. I will catch you, dolls, in my next post.